Unlike planets that obediently orbit a star, rogue planets wander alone, untethered from any solar system. Rogue planets, also known as free floating planets. Detecting these rogue planets is an astronomical challenge because these planets don't emit their own light and are incredibly dim against the backdrop of space. So, we use advanced techniques like gravitational microlensing to spot these rogue planets. When a rogue planet passes in front of a distant star, its gravity acts as a lens, bending and magnifying the starlight. This momentary brightening helps us identify the presence of a rogue planet, but they remain elusive and difficult to study in detail. What's really wild about rogue planets is that they might be home for life. These planets are thought to span the entire range of bound planets, from the size of Pluto to the beast bigger than Jupiter. While these rogue planets will have no star to warm their surface, they still have internal heat. If you cut off the Earth from the solar system, the surface would get pretty chilly, but volcanoes and hot springs would still keep running. And where there is heat, there is the potential for liquid water, and where there is liquid water, there is the potential for life. This could potentially create habitable zones where life could thrive. Their origins are still a subject of scientific investigation. One theory suggests that rogue planets were forcefully ejected from their original solar system due to gravitational interaction with other massive bodies like stars. If we assume that gas giant such as Jupiter is a failed star, one that was not massive enough to start nuclear fusion, then it is one way a rogue planet can be created. The smallest star so far we have discovered is smaller than Jupiter. We can therefore assume rogue gas giants are possibly failed stars, and they can be created anywhere in the universe. There is another theory that instead of star going supernova and exploding, a star might just go in opposite direction. These events are known as failed supernova or unova. A star will collapse and disappear quietly. Any orbiting planets will be left orphaned and become rogue planets, as they will have nothing to orbit. There could be billions of rogue planets in our galaxy alone, with millions of possible worlds.